What is going on, guys? It is Specs. Let us do what we do best. It's about time we look at Gbpusd and gold. Today is Monday. It's about time we get our grind together. Let's get started. What is going on, guys? It is Specs. Right now, we are live on YouTube, and you know how we do it. Today is a blessed day. Today is a good day. As you can see right here on my screen, people are already active. So, use the link right here. Join us live. Let us see what we can do on the chart, Xauusd and Gbpusd. Let's get it. Right now, we are live on YouTube, and you know how we He's pokey. I see you. I see you. I see you. If you're just joining us for the first time, you know what to do. Drop some W's in the chat. Tell us your name and exactly where you're joining us from. I'm Pex, and I'm joining you guys from Lagos, Nigeria. Let's get it. Where exactly are you joining us from? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's 4 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just. This train is 6,000. Here we go. We're at 6K. Let's get it. Let's get it. We have Ghana, we have Netherlands, we have Warri Delta, we have South Africa. W's. So I have a lot of information for you guys. This month. This month of March, I have a lot of information for you guys. And this is a new month. We're going to be doing something special. Now, the first thing first we're going to be doing this month is I want you guys to check this out. Plateau, Nigeria. I see you guys. Play just like a pro. I see you often join this live like frequently. That's cool. Kingsley 911. I see you. March VIP. Don't worry, I got you guys. This is a new month. And like I said, on the Telegram community, which if you're there, you're going to realize that we do our VIP monthly. February has come and gone. This is March. Like I said, I got information for you guys, but then check this out. My first information is, check this out. If you can see my screen, drop some ones on the chat. If you can see my screen, drop some ones on the chat. If you can see my screen, drop some ones on the chat. Happy new month, bro. I see you. Nice one. I see the ones. Nice one. Let's go. Now, this right here on my screen is insane. Now, I want to talk about this. Number one, of course, we are going to be talking about the new updates on GFT. WGFT in the chat, guys. Drop GFT in the chat, guys. Drop GFT in the chat. Drop GFT in the chat. Drop GFT in the chat, guys. We're live right now. We're live right now. If you don't want to miss out on anything, use the link right here and join us live. Let us go straight up. As you can see, we are live and it's cooking. We're already cooking. We're already cooking. Easy, easy, easy. Join us right away. Link below. Let's get it. WGFT in the chat. Let me share this live to the Telegram community. Let me share this live to the Telegram community, guys. Just a minute. I got information for you that will blow your mind. That's why I want to go live twice today. I'm going to be going live this New York session as well. So you already know what's cooking. When I'm going live 2 times, you already know what's cooking. You should already know what's cooking. Now, first thing first, why did I pop out GFT right here? Number one, they're one of the best prop firm in the industry right now. That's number one. Number two, GFT has launched their app. Somebody W app on the chat. Now, in this app, you're going to be getting a lot of updates in this app. Imagine what it feels like to be in your app, like Bybit or Binance app, and then you're seeing we just paid you out. Like, how crazy is that? You see, we just paid you out right now. How good does that feel? Your account has been paid. That's why you can see right here. You can see right here. You can see the app on the screen. This right here. Take a look at the reward received. Congratulations, we've sent you 7,500. You can see it. Now, this app right now is, let me show you guys something. I'm going to make a full video about this, probably this March, but then just stay tuned. Subscribe, turn on your post notification. You're going to see a lot. It is currently live on iOS. It is currently live on iOS. If you're using Android, it should be live. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. Goat Funded Trader. You can see it right here. Goat Funded Trader has an app right now. So all you have to do is head on to your iOS store, which is App Store. Head on to App Store right now as we speak. I don't mind you living the life. Head onto App Store right now and go and get it. As you can see the get button right there. I want to show you this get button right here. As you can see the logo right there. You can see it right here. You can see it right here. Easy, accessible. It is extremely fast. And of course, you can verify your account easily on here. You can verify your account easily on here. So just as you see the get right here, Goat Funded Trader, GFT. You can see it, right? So head onto your App Store right now and press the button, straight up get. Let it load. You get it. You need to put your Face ID. And now wait for it to load up. You can see it. It is done. Open. You can see it. How sleek is this? How many prop firm have an app, bro? How many prop firm have an app, bro? How many prop firm have an app, bro? See how insanely good it looks. See how it looks, bro. See how it looks. See how it looks. Very clean. Very clean. Head on to the App Store right now and go and get it. I'm using the app is preferable. Exactly. Yes, true. I just got it. Nice. I just downloaded it. Type shit. Don't play. Head on to your App Store right now and go and get Goat Funded Trader app. Head on to your App Store right now and go and get Goat Funded Trader app. It is live. A lot of people are downloading it. I just got it. I'm using the app. It's preferable and all those stuff. Head on there, download it, and then come back here. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This app is something. Look at the website, guys. Look at the website. Look at the website. Trading account balance. Immediately you enter, you're going to be seeing your account balance. Then you know your profit is right there. You don't have to be heading to their website to start having issue. I just downloaded it right now. Nice one. Nice one. I've downloaded it. Nice one. Nice one. I see you. I see you. I see you. You don't want to miss out on anything. Head on to App Store or Play Store and download GoFunded Trader app right now. Right here. Right here. I'm going to even be leaving. Exactly. It's just like Bybit. I like that. It's just like Bybit. Like your normal crypto app, but this one, you don't have to be heading to their website all the time. If you are trying to bridge your drawdown, head onto the app and check. One habit I usually do is before I place a trade for a day, I go on their website to check what is my daily drawdown, what is my overall drawdown. But then now when you want to enter a trade immediately and then you're waiting for the website to load up, it takes time. Once you're doing all of those stuff, it might then make you not to even wait for the website to load up and then you open your lot size. If you lose that trade, you probably have lost your entire account. But with the app, the moment you tap on it, it's opening ASAP, and then you're checking your daily drawdown and overall drawdown to make sure you are in check for that day, so you don't have to bridge the account. I see you guys are reducing from 20 to now 12. Go and download the app. No problem. Go and download the app and then come back here ASAP. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. Sammy Primus, Optimus Prime. Let's go. Let's go. So go and download it right now. GoFunded Trader app is live. Straight up. Let's go. That's number one information. Now, number two, if you're ready for that, W's. Oh no, let's give the people some time. Let's give them some time. Like, let's give them 2 minutes. People are going to get the app. Let's give them 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. The app is very sleek. Very sleek. All you just have to do is log in. Log in. Your credential. Log in ASAP. ASAP. Go and download it ASAP. I give you guys 2 minutes. Before I continue, I'm going to wait for you guys 2 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Now, for most of you guys on TikTok, GFT, which is GoFunded Trader, which is one of the platforms I trade with. And as you can see, I've gotten a payout from them. This is 1,200, as you can see right there. GoFunded Trader is a website that helps, is a company actually that helps give traders funds to trade. This way, you can actually make good money and, of course, go well alive with your day. Now, they just launched an app, and this app is currently on App Store. As you can see, this is what the app looks like. If you go on App Store right now, as you can see, if you go on App Store right now, you're going to see the app here. Head on to App Store, go and download it. Head on to App Store, go and download it. You can see the reviews already. Go and download it. This app, please, I just joined now. What's the name of this app to download? The name of the app is GFT, GoFunded Trader. GoFunded Trader is a prop firm that offers traders capital to trade. Head on there, get your account with GoFunded Trader, and let's go. Let's go. I see the done. I see the done. I see the done. I see the W's. I see the W's. Let's go. Let's go. Head on there right now. Head on to App Store or Play Store and download GoFunded Trader app. Then get your account. This month, we're about to go crazy, bro. We're about to go crazy, bro. Now, before I continue, you guys ain't telling me nothing. Like, how am I looking, bro? How am I looking, bro? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. How am I looking? How am I looking? I should look fly, right? How am I looking, bro? How am I looking? How am I looking? Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. I'm looking sharp. My barber is doing some good work, bro. Talk to me. Cribs. Clean, right? Let's go. 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 I just downloaded it. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Let's go. Let's go. Sometimes when you get some bag, look like the bag. New payout loading this month. By God's grace, we get that payout. Big bag is dropping this month. Wow, congratulations, congratulations, congratulations. I just passed my phase 2. Congratulations, congratulations. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm on a 2-step, I'm on a 5K 2-step phase 1 challenge. Nice one. Speaking about challenge, one of my boys just passed his 5K and his 8K account, which means he's totally funded 13K. He's totally funded 13K right now. He's totally funded 13K right now. He's working on the verification process. Now, speaking of verification, this month I'm going to be doing a video regarding how to verify your account on GoFundTrader. Please subscribe, and then turn on your post notification. I know a lot of you guys are asking that question a lot. A lot of you guys are asking that question, how to verify your account on GoFundTrader. I know it's a big problem, but then I will help you out. As long as you have the good ID, you are good to go. I'm going to give you guys steps on how to go about it and how to do it. All right, steps on how to go about it and how to do it. If you've not verified your account, probably you've passed your account, but you've not verified, and that verification is what you need to actually get your live account, then I'm going to do a video, probably a step-by-step video. Now, for me to do this video, it's going to require a lot because I'll have to buy an account. I'll have to then trade the account and then get to the phase one. And not so just be patient with me, guys. Just be patient. And you know, I don't own the market, so I might get a couple of losses and it's going to be delaying me passing the account and all those stuff. But then when I get it done, I'm going to do a video about it. If you're ready for that one, drop some fire on the chat. Drop some fire on the chat. All right. I need to do that video because the popular demand is going wild. Everybody wants to know how to verify their accounts, probably even with NIN. And GoFundTrader, yes, they do offer NIN. They do offer NIN, but there's something you guys are missing a lot. But I'll address it in the video. So you don't get stuck passing your phase one and phase two and you end up not getting paid because you are not funded just yet. So I'll drop the video, subscribe and turn on the post notification. Let's get it. Now, with that being said, last month, which is February, I told you guys one thing. And I said, I'm going to be doing a competition. Somebody spoke about competition on this chart. And one thing is certain. I like competition, guys. I like competition. Now, this competition is going to be great because it is going to make me help you get funded. Now, I know some people might have it difficult to buy an account and all those stuffs. In this competition, I'm going to be giving our first winner a 15K funded account. I ain't seen the fire, guys. Just because you won the competition, you're going to get a $15,000 account from GFT. Direct. No fugazi. I'm telling you a fact, because you turn up to be our winner, and the 15K account right now, check GFT as you can see it here on our website. Damn, see website now. See as the website just sleek. Guy. They've changed the look of this website. Very dope. These people are working. They are working, guys. They are working. Active. They are working, guys. They are working. People are active. Wow. See website. A 15K account right now is $137. That is our winner. Our first runner-up, I'm going to be gifting them a 15K funded account from GFT. That's number one. Then our second runner-up, because we're going to be having two winners. First winner is going to be getting a 15K funded account from GFT. And then the second winner is going to be getting a 10K account from Pex himself from GFT. All right. Now, what do you need to do to participate in this? It is very simple, guys. I'm going to be giving you the account if you win. It is not a giveaway. It is a competition. It is not a giveaway. Thereby, you just don't know. It is a competition, which means I want to see that skill you feel you have. You know that skill you feel like you know how to do, that trading skill you have. I want to see what you feel like you are. We're going to be running this competition the most easiest way. And the winner, the first runner-up, that's the winner. I don't want to say first runner-up. The winner is going to be going on with a 15K funded account from Gold Funded Trader. The second runner-up, which is the second winner, is going to be getting a 10K funded account. Note, this is directly from Pegs to you. Understand this rightly. It is not a giveaway, it is a competition. What do you have to do? Simple. Get a brokerage account. I would have loved to use a prop firm to do it. That's Gold Funded Trader to do the competition, but I cannot do that with Gold Funded Trader because, of course, it's a company and all that. But this way, I can do this. There's a link in the description right there. Register your account with Octa using the link right there. Fund your own account with the minimum deposit of $25 to $30. Now, when you fund your account, $25 or $30 thereabout, if you fund higher, you know the more your account, the more money you're going to make, right? Now, once you fund your account, all you have to do is join the Telegram community. This competition is going to be going on until we get our winner in the span time that we have. This is March 2nd. I'm talking about it because we are going to start the registration. So the link right in description, register with Octa and then fund your own account. This is not a demo account. I don't want emotionless trading. I need you to see your money burn or see your money grow. Then I will reward you for being the highest trader by the end of 30 days. If this makes sense, drop some fire on the chart. If this makes sense, drop some fire on the chart, guys. Drop some fire on the chart. Drop some fire on the chart. Because as it stands right now, it is your own money, number one. It is your own account, number two. And also, it is your own profit. We are not doing any profit split here. We are not doing anything like that. All you have to do is use the broker link in description, register with the link right there, then fund your account with as low as $25 or $30. Then you know that you are ready. You join the Telegram community. Now, when you join the Telegram community, you're going to get a WhatsApp number there so they can verify that you've registered under the link so they can track it. Now, why we're using the brokerage is because we can be able to track those winners, people that are winning. Do you understand? And then be giving the top five list, because we have only two winners, winner 1 and winner 2. The winner 1 goes on with 15K account, winner 2 goes on with 10K account. All right. If we're going to have winner 3, then we're going to talk about that later. But winner 1 and winner 2 is what we're going to be giving out. A total of $25,000 funded account from Gold Funded Trader. I see the fires already. If you're going to participate, use the link in description. Look for a broker link in description, the broker I trade with, and register right away. It is time to help people get funded. And remember what I said, this is just the beginning, because the next month after this March, that's the registration is going to start from March 2nd, which is today, till at least March 30th. We want a lot of people in it. A lot of people, because we still have goodies for you guys in April. April is the next month. April 1st, we kick off. April 1st, we kick off, which means the competition is going to start. That way we can track it. Now, they say, what if I have an Octa broker? You need to register with the link in the description so we can be able to track it. The one you have already, we cannot track it. All right? We cannot track that one. We can't track that one. So it's quite unfortunate, but it is fortunate because you can use another email address and then register. Use the link in the description right there. Fund your account with as low as $25 or $30, which is the minimum deposit, and then start trading. I want to see everybody get a payout. This time, I'm not just teaching you how to get a payout. I am teaching you how to do it, and I'm giving you an account to do it. Free. Read my lips. Free. I'm going to buy look at the website now. Look at the website. The website is saying here, a 15K account. You can see it right here. I will buy it and then I will give it to you for winning the challenge. So it is a competition. If you think you're going to be up, then go for it. You're going to be getting a lot of content. A lot of content are going to be coming out for it because we want to see people participate. At least participants should be around 1,500. Then before the end of this month, April 1st, we kickstart. So if you're going to register right now, register, fund your account, and forget about that account. Continue trading your own personal account. Forget about that account right now, and then wait. Once it is April 1st, we kickstart. Link is in description. As I'm speaking to you right now, link is in description. In fact, let me put the link in the first in the comment section. Remember what I said. The winner goes home with a 15K account, and then a 10K account. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. If you're just joining us new, all you have to do is very simple. Head on to GoFunded Trader website and get your account with GoFunded Trader. But if you want to make it easy enough, you go to your app store. If you're using an iPhone, go to your app store and download GFT web app right now. GFT app right now. Head on to your browser right now, to your app store, and download the app immediately. Download the app immediately. You don't want to miss out on anything. Immediately. Let me put the link right now in the comments. So once you watch this video and you're interested in joining this challenge, which you have to challenge yourself, then you know what to do. You know what to do. You know what to do. Straight up. I've posted the link right there. This link right now is in the comments. Is in the comments. As you can see, this link right now is in the comments. You know what to do. Click on the link and go and register. Join the Telegram community. You're going to see the Telegram community in there. If you're thinking it's the previous Telegram, no, it's a new Telegram community. And inside the Telegram community, you're going to be seeing a pinned, what's the name? A pinned phone number. You chat them, you send them your own registered account number. That's your broker account number, so they can check it. Your broker account number, so they can check it and then verify that yes, you are ready for this competition. I'm going to be giving more updates about it, so do not worry yourself. If you don't understand, watch this video over again, and then you're going to have better understanding about it. Join the Telegram community ASAP. You join the Telegram community. I'm putting it in the okay, so everything is all set. Link in description. The Telegram community is also in description. So once you click on the link, you register, you join the Telegram community, and then you see a WhatsApp number pinned in the Telegram community. That way, you can actually send a message to that WhatsApp community, to that WhatsApp number. It is the Multitech Academy admin. You're going to get information. Send your broker account number, not your broker login, your broker account number to the phone number on WhatsApp, and then you are going to be verified and all information will be sent to you. Okay, we're good to go. I've done all I need to do. It's left for you right now. Link in bio and link in description. Now, how do I leave this place? Okay. Now let us talk about the chart. Let us talk about the chart. All right. Now I have a question: futures account and other account prop firm. Which one can you trade as beginner? You can trade anyone as a beginner, but for me, I think Forex is quite easier. For me, I think Forex is quite easier. So, like I said, our competition giveaway, our competition challenge has started. All you have to do is register, use the link in description, register with Octa, and then send your account number, not your personal bank account number, your broker account number, just the account number, and it will be verified that you've registered and you funded the account and you're good to go. April 1st, we kickstart. Once everybody is registered and we're good to go, we get our winner. April 1st, in the next 30 days, we look for the first runner up, which is 15k account. Second runner up is 10k account. If we're gonna have three winners, then be rest assured that the third winner probably is gonna get a 2.5k account or a 5k account. But we'll see if we're gonna add the third runner up later on. Now let us dive in. Remember, every winner gets a gold funded trader account. This is gold. If you're ready for gold, drop some fire on the chat right away. If you're ready for gold, drop some fire on the chat right away. Now, somebody be like, how do I start about this? Simple. First thing first is the link is in my bio right there. You join the Telegram community. You'll be directed to the Telegram. You join the Telegram. That one is the first thing you want to do, and then we'll talk about it from there. The link is in my bio right there. Now, this is gold. What is gold doing right now? A lot of you guys are seeing the buys on gold, but what is causing these buys? Now, you should know that gold right now is skyrocketing because of what is happening in the world right now. Now, I'm not going to be using details because it's not going to be ideal here on YouTube, but I want you to follow all the information ongoing with. I need you to follow all the information ongoing right now on the internet. I need you to follow all information ongoing right now in the internet. You shouldn't be new to all of this. You shouldn't be new to all of this, right? You shouldn't be new to all of this. What you want to do for yourself is you want to follow the right accounts. You want to follow the right account. And number one right account you might want to be following is news accounts like Bloomberg. Bloomberg is number one you should be following. And if you're on Twitter, that is X, you need to be following them as well because nobody's going to give you more information than Twitter. Twitter is where those top men are. And you're going to get more information from there. A single tweet can make Gbpusd buy massively. A single tweet can make Xauusd buy massively. So, but you need to be alerted. Now, what exactly are we expecting from gold? This is New York. This is London session. So, but what are we expecting from gold right now? Now, look at the chart, guys. Look at the chart. Now, if you look at this chart, I've told you guys right from onset that I've been expecting gold to get to 5,550. I've been expecting gold to get to 5,550 so much. And that expectation is about to be met because right here we are at 5,410. 5,410. 5,550 is here. So tell me, what's the chance that it's not going to get there? There's a huge chance it's going to get there. Now, what do we do in this situation? If you look at this market, you realize that there is no like pullback. The pullbacks are not looking sharp. Heading on to the 15, you're going to see there is a form of pullback around this zone. So now, what do we do here? I entered gold last week. I got stopped out only for the market to reverse back and hit TP. And not just it hitting TP. You can see from my entry here is about 2,400 pips. But it's not a problem. Now, the next opportunity we should be looking at and targeting for this gold is this. Two things. I need gold to actually come into this zone right here and then we have a chance for a buy. We have a chance for a buy at that region. If it fails to work here, then my next target is here. But is it bullish? 100% bullish. Is gold bullish? 100% bullish. Everybody's looking for opportunities to buy gold right now. Every small opportunity you get, people are looking to buy gold right now. And in New York session, it could even go much more higher. So now what we're going to do is, why are we buying from here? Number one, looking at this market here, you're going to see this is a first. Let me show you something. Let me delete this. And then you're going to observe that the market right now has been doing what I call uptrend structure. After consolidating a lot in this zone here, it then broke out, retested back, and then bought. Now it has retested back on the zone and now it's buying. So now, because the market has gotten to this region, there's a huge chance that this high that it took out is going to retest back on it. This high that it took out, it is going to retest back on it. Right here. Right there. So we are expecting the market to pull into this zone and then give us like a form of entry for the buy. And you can see the market is gradually pulling into that zone for the buy. Something about gold right now is that the stop loss is going to be wider. But we pray for good things, because even if the stop loss is going to be wider, the reward is rewarding. We have 602, we have 620 pips for a TP. We have 620 pips for a TP. That's what we're looking at right now for gold. Pull into this region, give us all we need, we can risk it. Set our stop loss below this low here, below this pullback there. Just set your stop loss around here. You should be good. Number one thing we should look out for is the market is uptrending. So we're looking out for more buys. But you don't want to start entering the buys blindly. No. Somebody be like, what will be your entry criteria? I like that question. Now, what will be our entry criteria? The time right now is 9:45 and a new 15 minutes candle has popped up. Now, what will be our entry criteria should be, if you're expecting a buy, then patiently wait. Now, the entry time frame that I'm looking out for is around from the 1 minute all the way to 15 minutes. From the 1 minute all the way to 15 minutes. I'm not looking for sales on gold. I'm looking for buys because the momentum is more clearer for buys. Now, this is the Fibonacci recent low, recent high, which you can also see another low here. Here. The market coming to rest on the 7-9 is what we're looking out for. Now, the entry criteria we're looking at is from this 1 minute chart, we need to get something close to a what? A chart pattern. A good chart pattern, and then we go upwards. Set your stops below this low. A good chart pattern, set your stops below this low. A good chart pattern, set your stops below this low. It's going to give you about 1,180 pips for stops, but your take profit is going to be good enough at 1 to 3. Don't be scared. As long as you get a good entry, don't be scared to get to the money. Do you understand? So looking at this right now, from the 1 minute, if we get a good chart pattern, we're good to go. From the 1 minute, if we get a good chart pattern, we are good to go. We are good to go. What's this? send this gift to my life. Voila. Now you're going to see and realize that the market right here is about to pull down back. So if we're looking forward to that pullback into this zone, then we should expect a chart pattern, not just immediate candlestick you enter. What if we don't see the chart pattern on this 1 minute chart? You wait for 5 minutes. Don't just dive in. You wait for the 5 minutes. And even if the market is going to push up and then leave you behind, it is not a problem. Don't get entitled or attached to the market because you're going to cry. Wait for a chart pattern, come into the zone, and then we are good to go. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set my alerts here. I'm going to set my alerts here because that is my AOI. That's my AOI. Set my alert there. As you can see, my alert is already here. My alert is not yet activated. Let me do that again. It's activating. We'll just wait. So wait for it to pull into the zone and then we'll go upwards. If we don't get the entry by 1 minute, wait for the 5 minutes, and the 5 minutes is still the same kind of entry. Now let us bring a chart pattern into the play. Let us bring a chart pattern into the a trend line, into the play. Trend line 1, trend line 2. The trend line has a chance of being tapped in, and as you can see here, we can see that the trend line is right on, like, is below this what's the name of this stuff, this lower high or higher low, here, this higher low here before going to a higher high. So if we get a consolidation here, like they call it liquidity, we tap into this place and then a double bottom from the 5 minutes, we should be good to go for a buy. We should be good to go for a buy. That's what I'm expecting. Don't just buy gold immediately like that. No, it doesn't make sense. Don't get attached. Don't get attached. If not, your money is going to be burning. So we have two structures here. As you can see that the market is obviously going to the upside. We have the trend line 1 met, trend line 2 met. So it's just a matter of if trend line 3 is going to be met, no problem. Which the market needs to come into the zone to activate the trend line before we buy. All right. I think we're good to go for gold. If there be any means the market didn't activate in this place, here, then my next target is here. But just as I do 1 trade a day keeps the 95 away. If you're forcing trades, you're probably going to end up going back to your 95. If you're not forcing trade and you're just following your system, you have a huge chance of going to the top. Just keep going to the top. So wait patiently for this zone. Set stop below here. And then your TP, my TP is always a 1 to 3. And with gold, it's kind of an easy stuff. This one, my 1 to 3 is going to be this high right here. My 1 to 3 is going to be that high right there. And this high is from the 15 minutes. If we don't get this movement from here, then I'll wait here. But one thing I'm looking at, like, there's a better chance here because the markets just want to start ascending. You can see my AOI on that zone already. Guys on TikTok, kindly follow up. Let's get it. We're live on YouTube. Kindly follow up. Thanks. Come down into this place and then we'll buy. Remember, I am looking for buys only. Now let me see if I can have a digit for my POI. Let me get a digit for that. Now I'm looking at this, my first, I call it first POI to be this. That's the price level I'm expecting. The first AOI there. My first AOI is around this region. I'm expecting it. My second one, if this one is taken out, like we not get any form of entry, just as I explained, a double bottom on that zone or a bullish chart pattern, I'm not entering. My next one is going to be around here. My next one is going to be around here. The new AOI is going to be around here, which is the new area of interest. Second option. But I will only pick the second option if the first was taken out without any trade taken for the day. You want to be extremely disciplined, guys. You want to be extremely disciplined. This is the first AOI here, 5,387.77. That is my first AOI. But then the second option, if the first trade wasn't taken, if the first trade was taken out without any trade taken for the day, I would be open to taking a trade on here. What does that mean? If I see my AOI taking, like the market gets to my AOI, good, and I see my entry criteria and I enter and I get stopped out, even if we get to this point, I wouldn't enter a trade again because I want to secure my account and I don't want to trade past once a day. If you're just joining us on TikTok, kindly follow up. Let's keep going. If you're just joining us, firstly, kindly follow up. Let's keep going. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe, like the live. Let's keep going. You see it here. We need the market to get to this point before we can actually do anything. If gold is clear, drop some ones in the chat. If gold is clear enough, drop some ones in the chat, guys. If gold is clear, drop some ones in the chat. Remember what I said. What am I looking for? Touch of the trend line, number one. Uptrend structure, which is a break and a retest back to the buying zone. And you can see the market overall is bullish. So I feel the market is going to keep going to the upside once we get to a good spot for buying. And as you can see on the lower time frame, liquidity has been happening on the chart, which means even a pullback. What's liquidity? A failed pullback into the zone. As you can see it right here. So we're expecting it to tap into the zone and then we buy. I always wait for confirmation. I don't do orders. I don't do limit orders and all those stuff. I always wait for confirmation. Rookie, you're welcome to the live. You know how we do it. Like and follow up. Let's get it. Now, the ones in the chart is clear. All right. Remember what I said. My first AOI is here. If I don't take a trade here, my second AOI is here for the day. As you can see, the market is well approaching the AOI. Probably before we leave this live, I don't know. We will need to take a trade. My first trade for the day, even though I just closed out on a 1 point something K profit. That was from last week. So with that being said, heading on to GBP/USD. What are we expecting on GU? Somebody drop GBP in the chat. GBP in the chat. Drop GBP in the chat. GBP. USD. GBP. USD, GBP, USD. I ain't seen the GBP. I ain't seen the GBP, guys. I ain't seen the GBP, guys. Henry FX, I see you. Now, last week, I spoke well about GBP USD dropping down into this low because the market has already taken out this guy right here. And now it has done a break, a retest, and then we're expecting a sell off to the downside. That's what I was expecting. And last week, it did just that. Due to what is happening, the market created a gap. Now, this is to tell you that this market is mostly run by the top men. A single tweet and everything changed. A single tweet and everything changed. Though I was really anticipating a sell-off on GBP USD because when all these kind of things happen, people extract their funds and put it in a safe haven. And compared to USD, GBP is not a safe haven. Compared to USD and compared to USD, yeah, GBP is not a safe haven. USD is more of a safe haven because it is quite internationally acceptable. I think pounds too is quite internationally acceptable, but not as vast as that of USD. So, and coupled with the technicals I'm seeing on the chart, there is more chance that it's going to drop than it's going to buy. But then anything can still happen. But the best of the best safe haven was gold. That is why you see gold buying to the upside. Not even buying, but gapped to the upside. That is why you see it gap to the upside. Now, despite the gap, what do we anticipate? What do we anticipate? What do we anticipate? I'll be going off now because in the next, let's say in the next 5 minutes, we'll call it a day. I'm still going to come back here in New York session. So I need to do some few things. Now, what are we looking out for? GBP has completed that move that we needed from New York session, which I spoke about in the previous live. You can just go and watch the previous live and you're going to see what I'm talking about. I leave my track record on this YouTube to make sure that everything is going good. All right. Everything is going good. Now, you can see my alert here. Lower low take profit. Lower low take profit because if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you're going to see it clearly, guys. You're going to see it clearly. Nobody should tell you. This right here so now when we look at just Now, what we're expecting on GBP USD is a continuous sell. But what is going to be our entry criteria? Now, from last week, I made mention that we are looking forward to selling this guy. Not even just from last week alone. Let's say last 2 weeks, we sold this one here. It came down 1 to 3 weeks to reward February 19, and then I was expecting a sell again. This was on Sunday. I broke down the chart and I was expecting the market to sell. Then it gapped up, look for another entry here to sell. It took us out, and then we look for an entry to buy. It bought, and then from here again wanted to sell from the Telegram community, but we missed out. Only in New York session we thought it was going to buy all the way, but then it did a retest back and then sold massively. Which I told you guys that I'm not going to be expecting to sell from here, even if it sells. But I'm expecting if it pull back under this low, because this is a higher low, right? This was a higher low, right? It bought, great. But then I wouldn't be selling from here because it's looking like it wants to turn to bullish move. Until we take out this higher low, that is a low now. We retest back, it's going to be a lower high, and then I'm going to be interested for a lower low to be created. That is the major reason why you can see my chart having this guy here called lower low take profit. That's the major reason I have that lower low take profit. With all these charts, everything, you can see that the market is not exactly what you think it is on book. On paper, it is different. On the chart, it is totally different. Now, with that being said, we're looking for this lower low take profit to be met, and then the market came to do it, even if the market did it at news, like based on the news event. No problem. The take profit has been met, and that's what that matters. Now, heading on to the drawing board back. Heading back to the drawing board, what we are going to see right now is a continuous sell because this low has been taken out and a neckline as well. The low has been taken out and a neckline as well. So what are we going to do here is we are going to anticipate for a new entry criteria, which is a break and a retest, because the market is going to sell. That is what we're looking at. The market is downtrending, guys. I am not here to do prophecy. I'm just here to show you what the market is doing and interpret it according to the PEC strategy, which you can see right here that the market is doing what I call equal highs, lower high, lower low, lower high, equal low, equal high, lower low created. Can you see this diagram here? From this top, lower low created, lower high created, equal highs, lower low created, lower high created, lower low. Like that, lower high, lower low. Like that. Then we got a higher low, and then we pushed up here, equal highs, lower low. Equal highs obviously meant double top. We create a lower high again, now lower low. Now we're creating a lower high again, so what we're expecting is a lower low. It sounds repetitive, but with a system, with a pattern, that is what it's looking like, because the market is just freely trending. The market is freely trending, and this is what it's going to look like because it is trending. So one thing you want to do is look forward to a place at which you want to enter the market, derive your entry model, and go in. Now, let's see what we can counter from this. We're getting the market in a good position. We're getting the market in a good position right now. Now, due to the massive sales that we're expecting, I'm going to take out this one because I had two positions. That is why you can see there two stuff. If you can hear me on TikTok, kindly drop on one on the chat, please. If you can hear me on TikTok, drop some ones. Now, with that being said, we have broken the zone. Now let's use this one for example, because it is what has happened in the past that will happen again. Like once, there's a book I was reading, and the man's in the book it says the best way to predict the future is through history. Again, now we can see right there we've gotten this break. We're getting the retest. Now, using the same system that we used in the previous chart, I was trying to show like the TP we had. This was our TP right here from this GBP USD this morning from the trade that we took last week. That's this trade you can see on my screen right now. You can see the TPs. The first one is a standard lot, the second one is half a standard, and the two of them covered up 1,400. 1,400, as you can see it right here on TikTok. This is a screenshot from the Telegram community, and this was when the trade hit TP. So it's just a matter of if you're in the Telegram community, you get this bread as well. Now, the same system we used, that's the same thing we want to implement here as well. So let me show you this chart, and then we'll call it a day in the next 1 minute. Now, I'll delete this and then extend this. So in total, about 1 to 6 RR. Now, look at this. The market broke in this zone. Then we started getting something like liquidity, guys. Liquidity is incomplete break and retest on the zone. That is the layman understanding straight up. The market started doing like it wants to sell, but because it is early morning, I wasn't interested because it is not London session just yet. You can see it wasn't getting to the zone. Now, most of you guys are going to think that if you're not experienced, you're going to think that the market is about to leave you. Let me know, is that true or false? You're going to start thinking that the market is about to leave you. Guys, the market is about to leave me. Why not enter from here, set my stop loss here, and then go down? The market is about to leave me, only for you to get stopped out. That is liquidity being grabbed, according to what everybody say. But all I know is this is liquidity. Now, the market pulled into the zone back. But still yet, I did not enter because it was 5:45. And of course, I was still asleep. Now, one thing you should understand is when you understand your system and you trade in session, there's most likely better chance that you're going to be getting, that the market is going to give you those chances. It pulled back again, but this time now in session. You can see 9:30 a.m. I'm in already. I've been 9:15. I'm in. We got a double bottom and then we started this move. By night, we were close to break even. I thank God because I didn't get break even, and then the market did what it did today. Because I was this close to break even, guys. Because I've already hit break even, like I've pushed my chart to break even already. But the market didn't hit the break even. That's why I say when you trade with a good prop firm, trade with a good broker, you will not be facing all these unnecessary stop losses. Because I could have been gotten break even or gotten stopped out, but it didn't happen. First thing first is you start thinking the market is already what's doing. It's leaving me. You enter immediately. Or you will not try to adjust your zone into this place. Who are you deceiving? You're deceiving yourself, brother. According to Bella Shmuda, I say, even if I lie to the world, will I lie to myself? You are lying to yourself by dragging your entry to this place. Now, the question is, how am I sure that this is not even the better zone safe? After all, I got to this place and started selling. This is why you need the PEC strategy to learn and then be confident. because I saw it too. But I'd be like, no, I've drawn my zone here. And even if the market starts to sell here, no problem. I'm not interested, but I need it to come here. And then it came here, it sold. But then I still am not interested because it's not 9 a.m. already. And then the market came here again and did what? 9 a.m. on dot. Look below now. Look below. You can see the 9 a.m. on dot. Friday, 27th of February 2026. And then by 9:30, 10 o'clock, we started going in profit. Then before you knew it, it was afternoon. I held the trade because I told you guys that by this 4 hour zone, there's a chance that the market is going to start pulling back there. Remember what I said last week? I gave the line that this 4 hour zone, there's a chance it's going to start pulling back. And it did pull back, but God passed devil. With that being said, this has been broken down. So now what I need is simple. This 15 should give me some good PEX entry model, and then I'm going to be selling downwards. And I'll be setting my stops. A little bit above here. Above this high. A little bit above that high. That's 34 pips. Is the risk to reward making sense? Nah, it's not making any sense, bro. I'll keep you guys posted on the Telegram, actually. I'll keep you guys posted on the Telegram for this one. I will see how to derive a better entry. And when the market is live, okay, this is the 15. When the market is live, like when I want to enter, I will see what the candlestick looks like before I can now derive what my entry is going to be. So we're going to call it the end of the live session today. If you're just joining us on TikTok, kindly like and of course follow up. And for you guys on YouTube, I've given you guys 1 hour nugget. See you guys 2 p.m. today again. In order for you to get the best out of Gold Funded Trader, head on to their website and get your account, or you head on to App Store and download their new app. This is the only prop firm I've seen that has an app right now. In order for you to join the competition, this competition is a challenge competition. If you know you're a good trader, use the link in the description, register with Octa, and then fund your account, join the Telegram community, and you're going to kickstart April 1st. Let's see what you can do. Our first winner is going to be going on with a 15K account, a funded account from GFT, and then the second winner is going to be going on with a 10K account from GFT. Don't miss out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.